everybody. In this video, I will talk about creating B-tree. Okay, we already know that B-tree is a multi-way sort tree. Simple, B-tree is a multi-way sort tree. It has order generally denoted by M, and the order of the B-tree specifies how many children a node can have. At most, how many children a node can have. Okay, now let's consider some data. Okay, let's consider data here. Let's suppose we have the data like this. Suppose this is the data using which we have to create B-tree. Let's suppose order be M, order be 5. Let's suppose order is equal to 5. Now let's create this B-tree. Now first we will be creating the node like this. How many data we will be storing? 1, 2, 3. Okay, first 3 elements came. There will be 5 children possible for this node, so number of keys will be 1 is equal to, that is 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. So number of keys are 4 for a node. Now here we are taking the first data that can be accommodated easily. But when 5 comes, what we have to do is we have to rearrange the data here. Okay, so we'll be writing 5, 12, 13, 15. Ordering is necessary. Okay, so in this way we'll order. Now 7 will be 7 is the next data. Now let's see what will happen. Now we cannot store 7 in this node. Okay, so what we do is we'll place 7 here and we'll sort the data. Sorted data will be something like that. Now then we'll take the middle value of this data. So this list of data, there are 5 divided by 2, that gives a 2.5, and we'll take the ceiling, that will give the 3. So we'll take the third value, first, second, third. Okay, then third value we'll take and we'll split this node. So what will happen is we'll promote root to the another, we'll promote 12 to another node, then then 7, we have 7 also. Then the values greater than 12 will be in the right, 13 and 15. So after inserting 7, okay, fine, the node been splitted and the level of tree grew. Now let's take other values, 8, 9. Now this is not a problem. 8 and 9 both less than 12. So we can store here 8 and 9, no problem. Okay, now when 20 comes, again there is no problem. We can store here because 20 is greater than 12 and there is space within the child. Now 27 will come. Now no problem again. We can store 27 here. Okay, fine. Now when 18 comes, what will happen? We cannot store 18 here. So again we will repeat the same step. Here we will arrange this data like this: 15, 13, 15, 18, 20, 27. And the middle value is 18. Now we'll take the 18. Now then we'll split this node. Okay, in the root node, in the parent of this node, there are some space left. Okay, so 18 will be promoted here. Now let's write it here. 12, 18 will be promoted up. Okay, then 5, 7, 8, 9. Now the values greater than 12 will be at the right. So those values are 13 and 15. And there is no 17. Okay, fine. Now the values greater than 18 will be here. 20, 27. Okay, fine. In this way we can store the data within the B-tree. Now let's have another value, that is 88. Now that is 18, fine, we have already taken. Now 88 will be the value. There is a space here. Okay, 88, no problem. So we can store 88 here. Now here comes 99. Again, no problem. We can store 99 here also. Now when this 100 comes, what will happen? 100 is greater than 18, so it should go here. but there is no space within this node. Okay, so again we rearrange here 20, 27, 88, 99, 100, and the middle value is 88. So we'll take the 88. In the parent node there is space, so we'll promote that 88 to this parent. Okay, so this will be like 12, 18, 88, and then 5, 7, 8, 9, then 13, 15. Then the values greater than 18 will be here, 20, 27. Okay, now the values greater than 88 will be 99 will be here. So in this way you can store the values. Now the last value is our 51, and that's 51 is greater than 18 and less than 88, and there is the space within this child, so 51 goes here. Okay, so in this way we can create B tree. This is a very simple one. Okay, now let's add some more values. Okay, now let's suppose we are having what is this value? Okay, 55. Let's have 55. Then let's have 60. Then let's have 55. Okay, 55 or 60. Now let's see what will happen if these two values have to be added. Okay, now 51 go on here, 55 again, no problem, we have this space here. Now when 60 comes, 60 will go here and this middle value will be promoted. There is still one step left. So when we take this 60, now this will happen like this, 12, 18, 88. Then the middle value here is 20, 27, 51, 55, 60. So we will be taking this, 51 will be promoted here, and this is 5, 7, 8, 9. This is 13, 15. Then the greater than values are 20, 27. Okay, now what is 51? That is promoted. So 21, 27. Okay, we have to arrange this. Okay, when 51 is promoted, we have to arrange this data. So 51 will be here, 88 will be here. Then, okay, then 51. This is greater than. What are the other values? Now we are having 55. 55 is greater than 51, so it will be here. 55. Then what is the other value? That is the 60. Now the value is greater than 88 will be here. Okay, 99, 100. Okay, fine. Now up to here, now fine. Root is full now. Now let's take one more value. Let's suppose we are having 10 here. Okay, there is another value 10. Now let's see what will happen. 10. Okay. Now when we have to insert 10, we have to look here. Now this node is already full, so we have to arrange it. Now this is the middle value. Now this will be promoted here, but the root is also full, so 8 will go promoted here. Now we have to rearrange it. 8, 12, 18, 51, 88. Now we have to take the middle value 18. Now 18 will split this node. Using the 18 will split this node. Okay, so we'll have root like this, 18. The values less than 18 here are 8 and 12. Then the values greater than 18 are 51 and 80. 88, not 80. This is 88. Okay, my mistake. This is 88. So fine. Now the values less than 8 will go here. Those are the values 5 and 7. Then the values between 10. Okay, fine. Now values greater than 12. Okay, 13 and 15. Okay, it will come here. 13 and 15. Okay, all the values, these are all the values which are less than 18. Now what we have 20 and 27. This is greater than 18. So it should be in the right. Okay, let's change this one. Let's make a little space here. So what was that? Oh, that was 51 and 88. Okay, so the values less than 51 are 20 and 27. Then values greater than 51 and 88. That is 55 and 60. Then the value is greater than 80 are 99 and 100. So in this way, we can create B tree. Okay. So this tree has agreed all the rules of B tree. The internode can have at least m by 2 children, and at most, this is at least, and at most it can have m children. That is correct. Root can have, okay, at least 2 children if it is non-leaf. This is again, this is true also. So all the leaves are in the same level. We can see this is the beauty of B tree. Okay. So in this way, using this procedure, we can create B tree.